Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your screen time passcode on iPhone 17. So if you forgot your passcode or just want to update it, follow these simple steps. So step 1 is to open settings. So once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on screen time. So inside screen time, scroll down and click on lock screen time settings. Now set a screen time passcode. Re-enter screen time passcode. And in here, put in screen time passcode recovery. So this helps you recover your passcode in case you forget it in the future. So it's recommended to complete this step. So once done, click on OK. Also, if you forgot your current passcode, tap on Forgot Passcode or Forgot Password. Then enter your Apple ID and password to reset it and create a new one. Once done, click on OK and that should be it. So that's how you change your screen time passcode on iPhone 17. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.